Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to our virtual wolf program. Today we are going to talk about habitats, and I am Miss Constance. The environment in which an animal lives is called a habitat. Its habitat must provide water, food, shelter, and space. Its home must also make it feel protected from predators, harsh weather, and other threats. Animals' homes come in a variety of shapes and sizes. The ocean is home to many animals, and so are some of the tallest mountains. Some animal homes are easy to see, while others are camouflaged to protect them from predators. The structure of animals' homes depends on the type of animal, the environment it lives in, and what it needs to survive. Some homes are just for one animal, or a home for a mother and its babies. Other homes are for large groups of animals that all live together. Animal homes serve a variety of purposes. Many animals design their homes to trap heat and keep out the cold, especially when there are babies. Because babies cannot keep themselves warm like parents. Nests, dens, burrows are example of some types of homes. Do you guys have any pets at home? Like maybe a dog or a cat or a hamster? What are some of the things that they have at home? Do they have a shelter to protect them? Food, water, maybe sawdust chips to keep it clean or warm or cozy? There are all kinds of different types of homes. Barns and houses, which would be more of domestic animals, which would be like your cats or dogs or fish, or others that need to be in a barn like horses, goats, pigs, or sheep. Webs, which spiders spin to live in. Webs are also perfect traps for catching insects and for the spiders to eat. There's also hives, which bees, wasps, and yellow jackets make wax inside their bodies. Then they use the wax to build homes called hives. These insects like to live together in huge numbers. A hive makes a good home for a whole colony. Caves, such as lions, tigers, bears, wolves, and bats make their homes in caves. Caves that make good homes are not just found on dry land. Many animals that live in the water, especially eels, like to live in underwater caves. Some fish and sharks like to find an underwater cave to catch a quick nap in as well. Burrows and holes many animals dig into the ground to make their homes. Foxes, rabbits, prairie dogs, and ants all live underground. Some underground homes are very simple, with one large hole and a single exit, while others are quite complex with many rooms, entrances, and exits. Shells, many animals with soft bodies actually carry their homes with them. These homes are called shells, and their hard exterior of the shells help protect the animal on the inside. Most animals such as snails, crabs, and turtles have built-on shells. Hermit crabs use old shells from other animals as their homes, and they find new shells as they grow. Nests. Birds make nests to lie their eggs in. Nests can be built in tree branches of trees or on the ground. In some cities, birds build their nests in nooks and crannies of buildings. We have an example of a hummingbird's nest, and we also have an example of a mockingbird's nest. Animals that live in the woods, such as bobcats, minks, foxes, otters, skunks, and weasels, often like to make their homes in hollow logs. Tree hollows. Squirrels, owls, porcupines, and raccoons all like to make their homes in the hollow of an empty hole in the trunk of a tree. Even black bears like to live in tree hollows. So for today, we're going to do a take-home project, and that is going to be making your own habitat and learning how to observe it. So you'll ask a guardian or a parent if you can go outside or when you're at the park and kind of find an area to observe and see if you can find like an ant or maybe some squirrels and kind of just see what their environment's like. Is there water around? Is there food? Is there shade? What kind of things are around it? And you can even draw pictures or take a little journal of it, and then you'll have a parent or guardian hopefully come and pick up a kit, and you're going to make your own little habitats and you'll add things to it once you observe something. So today I have a spider in here, and of course they'll have pre-holes in them, and you'll add stuff before you collect the animal into the habitat. So think of things that they need, like, was this spider on a branch? Would I need to add a twig? Do I need to put some grass in there? Maybe some wet soil? And then kind of observe and see if it adjusts to the habitat and it's comfortable, or if it's not really a comfortable habitat for it. And then you can observe it maybe for 1 or 2 days and then let it go again. And then we'll have these at the administration building for you guys to collect and take home and observe your own animal in its habitat. Thank you for joining us, and we hope that you enjoyed learning about habitats. Thanks. Bye.